Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making a simple coronavirus stay safe hat for kids. Get a long rectangular strip of thick paper that is long enough to go around the head of a child. Place aside. From a yellow colored sheet of paper, cut out 6 oval shapes. Draw and cut out the wash and sanitize piece. Draw and cut out the hand. We need 2 hands. Draw and cut out the shape of the crown. Apply glue to the tip of the crown and stick down the 6 ovals. Write the coronavirus stay safe label. Pick the headband for the hat. Apply some glue. Apply glue and fix the crown to this middle part of the headband. Label the wash and sanitize. Fix the hands. Apply glue and fix the hands. Once it dries up, hold up, fold, and then staple together at the back. The coronavirus stay safe hat is now ready for use. Hope you like the video. Thank you.